December 28th, 2015. The day after the Blizzard Artesia, New Mexico. Hi, Annie. You having fun in the snow? You just want to show off for the camera or what? Well, let's go on the path that Annie's been making since yesterday. Hi, Annie. Okay, don't jump on me. Oh, boy. Things are starting to thaw out a little bit. Somewhat. You can see where Andy's been playing. What are you doing? Jumping all over me? This is for Roy. I hope Roy could see it someday. One of these days, those kidnappers will hopefully send you home. You would love this snow too. Don't think I'll go through that gate.